Hey, it's ytlourdesalden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by the Weeknd After Hours, and let's try get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and after priming my face, I put on some lip balm and did my eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I used the ColourPop eyeshadow palette in Nat's Taupe, the shade Peach Pebble on my eyelids and lower lash line, and blending after that. Lining my lash line with the Silva Beauty Hydro Liner in Grease. Setting the eyeliner with the shade Bedrock from ColourPop That's Taupe palette. For foundation, I used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydro Tinted Foundation in Light 6W. Covering my imperfections with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural. Contouring my entire face with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Espresso. For eyelashes, I used the Ardell Naked Lashes in 421 with the Dual Lash Glue. I'm using liquid latex from Spirit Halloween to create a scar on the nose and the eyebrows, and using a cotton pad as a layer of skin or a scarring of an open wound. Once it all dries down, I use the Glam Vice or UVC Beauty Waterliner in Dark Rose and put fake blood all over it, and also covering my cotton pad or fake skin with my concealer shade. You can also use corn syrup based fake blood. For this one here, I tried to replicate the album cover. In some of the photo shoots and music videos, he had bruises under his eyes or dark circles, so I used Stone Cold Fox palette and Jaclyn Hill palette for it. And onto the outfit details. Here's a full body shot of me wearing the outfit. The blazer suit and gloves are from Amazon, pants are from Kohl's, shoes are from Rue 21, bodysuit and turtleneck is from Forever 21. And that's it for the full outfit details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.